thanks a lot for taking time and joining us in this Ask Me Anything with Anirudh. Anirudh, I'll let Anirudh kind of give a brief overview about himself, but just before getting into it, I'll kind of give you guys an overview of what this particular AMA is about. You might be seeing my screen. So what we are doing is we are working with people in the industry and providing an opportunity for students and professionals to work on industry relevant projects by working with an industry expert. So with the assistance of an industry expert, how can students and professionals work on some of the cutting edge technologies, right? So Anirudh is one of our industry experts who's kind of taking up a particular research program. These research programs we have limited it only to 5 people, and basically 5 people work on one individual project. And the project basically, the way that we are looking into projects is the first project that we are looking into is machine learning methodology to predict battery age while in storage. The second one is machine learning methodology for early prediction of EV battery failure before warranty, road pothole detection from accelerometer data, and vehicle diagnostics from audio signals. So these are the 4 projects that we have kind of scheduled for this particular research program. And this research program starts on February. This is a 3-month research program where you basically interact with the industry expert and kind of start working on these projects. And while working on these projects, you basically understand a lot about the subject, the domain, and also kind of get a great understanding on how to kind of work on industry relevant real life projects. And this is a great addition to you because it kind of bumps up your resume, and it kind of increases the ability for you to be visible in the job market, because these are some of the cutting edge projects that are being done in the industry. So we've known Anirudh for a while. Anirudh comes with a very rich experience in these domains. I'll let Anirudh kind of give a quick overview and of his profile, and probably from there we'll kind of start with a few questions. Anirudh, the questions pretty much initially are at least understanding more about the program and what they will be doing, what's this kind of scope. So I'll kind of kickstart this. So you can basically give an overview about what you do, and we can go from there.
Cool. Yeah. Thanks for giving an intro of the research program and for starting us off. So a little bit about me. I have a master's degree in mechanical engineering from Virginia Tech, and I have some academic background in both applied mathematics, control systems, and machine learning. So that's where it started off for me for automotive engineering and machine learning. After that, I joined Gamma Technologies, which is a simulation company that you may have heard of the tool. It develops a tool called GT Suite, which is a simulation tool used by most automotive OEMs around the world. So I worked at GT, working with automotive companies in simulation primarily, and now I'm a data scientist full time, working on machine learning problems in the automotive industry. That's a little bit about me.
Hey, thank you so much. Just saying that, I'm kind of probably we are running out of time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick overview of the whole coursework. So, as I said, this is a 3-month coursework. So, this is basically research and development program on ML and AI in the automotive industry. So, the benefits is you will basically end up working on a project that can be published in a journal or a research paper in a conference. The course price is 1,75,000 for people attending this webinar. We are basically giving a kind of a special discount. You will basically get a course. You can enroll at 1,50,000 rupees, and what you can basically look at is what you will be doing over this period of the coursework. This is what you will be working on. These are the 4 projects out there, and you will work on one of those projects. There are only 5 people who will be enrolling in this program. We cannot take more than 5 because we want to kind of give we want good expertise gained out of this. So we want to provide you one-on-one sessions with Anirudh, who will be the lead researcher guiding you in this particular program. So if you guys are interested in something like this, do reach out. What you can do is you can basically reach out to surya@skilllink.com or 980 980 5252, and we can basically help you out.